In this video, we are going to learn about radio buttons. To use a radio button, you will need one variable. Let us create a string variable this time. AI action form, single variable, and add new variable, type string. Go ahead, click on save. Once you're done with this, let us navigate back to a form. And then click on the main section, go to form. Let us get 3 radio buttons here. Now, if you have noticed on websites, the thing about radio buttons is you can only click on one at a time, right? If you click one, the other one becomes unchecked. So here, just taking a minute to arrange these a bit neatly. So let's go to preview and check this out. You can see, able to check only one at a time. But to make this effective, what we need to do is all the 3 radio buttons need to be associated with the same variable. So let's click on each radio button one at a time. Go to properties. We'll write the name of 3 cities. Bengaluru. Let's make this one Hyderabad. And let's make this one Chennai. Okay. Then for all the 3 radio buttons, we will attach the same variable. So we go to variables, first drop down, pick up AI action form, second drop down, pick up single variable. Then here, search for your variable, get the city name string. So here for the first radio button, see the first radio button, the variable is city string. For the second radio button also, variable is city string. For the third one also, it is city string. So now that all 3 are associated with the same variable, how do we differentiate between them? For that, we go into properties, and for each of these, we give a value. So for Bangalore, let's give the value as, let's put everything in uppercase. For the second one, we give the value as Hyderabad. And for the third one, we give value as Chennai. Okay. Then we click on preview and save. You can see the clicking is a little smoother when they're associated with variables. Now we will see how to print the value out. So anywhere here, you can go to layers, so elements. Let's put a text box here. This is just a helpful text box. And here we go to properties. You don't have to associate it with a variable for now. Just do console.log, and then in here you put the variable. Okay, then you go ahead, click on save, and now before we start looking at the output, clear console, go to preview, you click on Bengaluru, you should see Bengaluru, you click on Hyderabad, you should see Hyderabad, you click on Chennai, you should see Chennai. All right, thank you. Let the text box be there. We will use it in the next video. Thank you.